Hey there, fellow gardeners! Happy Homesteader here! By now you know how much I love finding simple solutions that make life a little easier and a whole lot more beautiful, right? Well, today we're talking about something so simple, you might just have it in your breakfast scraps. Eggshells! Did you know that something as simple as an eggshell can be a total game changer for your garden? I'm talking healthier plants, fewer pests, and even a little magic for your seedlings. We're diving into 5 unexpected ways to use eggshells to help your plants thrive. Let's get our hands dirty. Let's start with the basics. Eggshells are like a magic potion for your plants. They're packed with calcium, which is essential for strong plant cell walls. Think of it like giving your plants a tall glass of milk, only way more stylish. Now you can't just toss whole eggshells in your garden and expect miracles. We gotta break them down a bit. I like to use a good old-fashioned mortar and pestle, but if you're in a pinch, a rolling pin works just fine. You're aiming for a nice coarse grind, not a fine powder. Once you've got your crushed eggshells, sprinkle them right into your soil, especially around the base of your plants. This natural calcium boost will work wonders, especially for those beauties like tomatoes and peppers that are prone to blossom and rot. Trust me, your plants will thank you. Now let's talk about those pesky critters that like to munch on our hard work. Nobody wants to share their beautiful garden with slugs, snails, or even cutworms, right? Well, guess what? Eggshells can help with that too. Remember those coarsely crushed eggshells we talked about earlier? Well, they act like a force field against those soft-bodied pests. Just sprinkle a generous ring around the base of your plants. Those sharp edges will deter those unwanted visitors without having to resort to harsh chemicals. It's like creating a little moat of protection for your plants. Plus, it's completely natural and safe for your garden. Alright, y'all, this next one is my absolute favorite. It's time to talk about seed starting, and let me tell you, eggshells are about to become your new best friend. Not only are they adorable, but they're practical too. Talk about a match made in gardening heaven. Here's the deal. Instead of buying those plastic seed starting pots, save those eggshells. Rinse them out and let them dry completely. Then, using a small nail or a thumbtack, carefully poke a drainage hole in the bottom of each shell. Now comes the fun part. Fill each eggshell about 2/3 full with your favorite seed starting mix. Gently plant your seeds according to the package directions, and voila! You've got the cutest little biodegradable seed starter pots you've ever seen. For my fellow composting enthusiasts, this one's for you. You know how much I love a good compost pile, and adding eggshells is like adding a secret ingredient to a time-tested recipe. Eggshells are a fantastic source of calcium and other minerals that break down quickly in your compost, enriching your soil like nobody's business. Just imagine giving your compost a big old dose of vitamins and minerals. That's what eggshells do. Now here's a little tip. Before you toss those eggshells in your compost bin, give them a quick rinse. This helps prevent attracting any unwanted critters to your compost pile. Nobody wants a surprise guest in their compost. Ready for a secret garden tip? Let's talk about eggshell tea. Save your crushed eggshells. Fill a jar with water and add the eggshells. Let them soak for 24 hours. The next day, you'll have nutrient-rich eggshell tea. Use it to water your plants and watch them thrive. It's like a spa treatment for your plants thanks to eggshells. And there you have it, 5 genius ways to use eggshells in your garden. Who knew something so simple could make such a big difference? Remember, it's all about working with nature and using what we have on hand to create a thriving and beautiful space. Have you tried any of these? I'd love to hear your experiences in the comments below. Maybe you have your own special way of using eggshells in the garden. Let's share our tips and tricks and create a community of happy gardeners. And if you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more down-home gardening and homesteading tips. Happy gardening, friends!